Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam making khutbah on the day of Jummah on Mimbar Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once Arabi, you can say the man from the village of Madinah Munawwara, he came in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked, Ya Rasulullah, from so long there is no rain. We are thirsty, our houses, even the animals, everybody is thirsty and we need water. And look at the belief of Sahaba Ikram, the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Always they came in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Even they need water, even they need rain. And they're asking Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Rasulullah, make dua in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah give us the rain. And the ahadith, the words of ahadith, the summary of hadith is that there is no cloud on that time on sky. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam raise his hands and make dua, starting dua. And Ravi said that between the dua, during the dua, the clouds like a mountain, they come apparently. And before the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam come down from the mimbar, khutbah khatam hone se pehle the rain started, and the rain started extensively. Musladhar barish hoti hai. और इतनी बारिश हुई कि रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जो बियर्ड है मुबारक दाढ़ी से पानी के कतरे गिर रहे थे. अच्छा, अब दुआ तो हो गई. एक दिन गुजरा, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, continue raining. Allahu Akbar. Next Friday आ गया. हदीस के अल्फाज हैं, that particular villager, sahabi or any other stand in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Rasulullah, please make dua to stop the rain. There are so many water in our city and everybody is now, डूबने के करीब हो गए हैं, हमारी चीजें भर गई हैं. Again, the belief of Sahaba, if they need rain, they want to stop the rain, they come in the court of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They don't go anywhere else. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam do not deny them that why you come in my court. He raised his hand again and look at the authority. What particular you want to learn today? That authority. We have some people in Pakistan or in abroad, they have authority in this area. If they order something, it will happen because they are ministers. Maybe sometimes they have from a government. But look at the authority. He's on earth that time, in his particular mimbar, and he raised his finger towards a sky, and what he said, Allahumma hawalayna wala alayna. What is the meaning of that? Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, the rain will come not towards us, out of Madinah Munawwara. And what he did, he raised his finger like this, and Ravi said that whenever Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, make gesture towards the sky, बादल कटने लगे. And sky become clear. मदीना like a bowl, मदीना प्याले की तरह हो गया. उसके ऊपर का आसमान क्लियर हो गया. साइडों पे बारिश बरस रही है. अल्लाहुम्मा हवालैना वला अलैना. ये अथॉरिटी किसके पास है कि जिधर उंगली उठाई बादल कटते चले गए. And the villagers from outside of Medina, when they came in Medina, they said that outside the rain is going on, but in Madinah Munawwara there is no rain because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam make dua, Allahumma hawalayna wala alayna. And that particular on Mu'jiza, Ala Hazrat Imam Ahlul Sunnah, beautiful couplet that जिनको सुए आसमां फैला के जल थल भर दिए, जिनको सुए आसमां फैला के जल थल भर दिए, सदका उन हाथों का प्यारे हमको भी दरकार है. सुभान अल्लाह. लेकिन ये वो हाथ हैं जो उठ जाए तो जल थल भर दिया करते हैं. सुभान अल्लाह. नबी मुख्तार कुल हैं, जिसको जो चाहे. He also talks about the Sahaba Ikram, their Aqidah. Yeah. They didn't go to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that, Ya Rasulullah, maybe you can help us. They went with the Aqidah that, Ya Rasulullah, you can help us. And Allah Ta'ala has given you that permission that you will help us. Nahi sunta hi nahi maangne wala. Whatever they ask, whatever they need, they go in the court of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and they get from there.
The authority of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Firstly, what do we mean by authority? Yes, he was a messenger.
I think authority is already clear, from what mashallah Abdul Habib Sahib has mentioned. In general, we can see that the power that our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was granted, the control that he was granted. And to the extent that it is a belief of the Ahlul Sunnah that the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has been given authority in every way, for example, in terms of Sharia. Subhanallah. Something which is impermissible for everybody. If he wants, he can make it permissible for one particular person or for whomsoever he wants.
So something which is not permissible, he can make it permissible.
So something which is general for everybody, that everybody must do this.
Allah.
But then he can pick a person, so he can tell him, you know what, you're an exception, you don't have to do this. And likewise, in terms of the world, for example, the sun, the moon, the sky, like I just mentioned, all of these, even though they're not part of, in terms of any Shari'i rulings, but even over those, the beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has authority. So he has authority in terms of the religious rulings, and along with that, anything else, to the extent that if he wishes, he can even resurrect the dead.
Allah.
So, all of these are authorities and powers. This is the power that our beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has given.